In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload transactions using a CSV file in QuickBooks Online, even if you don't have a bank account connected. This is perfect when your bank doesn't sync with QuickBooks, or you prefer working from exported statements. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From the left sidebar, open Bank Transactions. Depending on your view, this may also appear under Transactions or Banking, but the process is the same. Look for the option to Upload Transaction and select it. This opens the workflow for bringing in your data manually. Under Manually Upload Your Transactions, open a new browser tab and sign in to your online bank. From your bank's website, export the statement you want to import. You can use CSV, QFX, QBO, OFX, or TXT. CSV is the most common. If you choose CSV, make sure the file has clear column headers, consistent date formatting, and one amount column or separate columns for money in and money out, depending on what your bank provides. Back in QuickBooks Online, either drag and drop the exported file into the upload area, or click Select Files to browse and choose it. QuickBooks will load a preview of your transactions and guide you through matching your columns to fields it understands. Take a moment to map each column correctly. Map date to transaction date so your ledger reflects the correct posting dates. Map. Description or payee to vendor or transaction description. This text is what you'll see on your bank feed and later on your reports. Map amount to transaction amount. If your file has separate columns for deposits and withdrawals, choose the appropriate mapping so credits and debits land correctly. Map category to the expense or income account you want these transactions to post to. If you're unsure, you can leave the category blank and assign it later, but mapping it now can save time. Review all transactions for accuracy before importing. Check the date range, make sure amounts look right, and scan for duplicates if you've previously imported any data. Clean source data helps prevent rework. When everything looks good, click Next and then Upload to add the transactions to QuickBooks Online. Once the upload completes, you can attach receipts to each transaction manually as needed. Open a transaction, click the Attach File or Paperclip icon, and upload your receipt image or PDF. Attaching receipts now makes reconciliation smoother and strengthens your record keeping. That's it! You've successfully uploaded transactions without connecting a bank. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for